Can you say that again?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. What's going on?
What, did you get a little shaken up on your birthday?
Yeah, so there was an earthquake in San Diego.
Yeah.
So we didn't feel anything up here.
Wow.
But yeah, it was like 10 o'clock. It was like 10:08 this morning. So like 30 minutes ago almost.
Wow.
I immediately texted my friends in that area and I was like, did you guys feel an earthquake? And they said yes.
They should be okay, right? They said yes.
Yeah, no, they're fine. They're fine. I said it was 6.7, I think, which I think that's pretty big. Alright, we're in the car. We are going to the gym, but I am taking the vitamin C by Symbiotica. So good. Let's go! Okay, so we just got back from the gym and we ordered some food. What did we get? I got a salad. This is your salad, Nick. Okay, so we got Caesar salad here for you.
Thank you.
We got a garden salad for me. A veggie burger that we're gonna split. Oh shit. We are leaving for a road trip on Monday to go all the way to New Jersey for my friend's wedding. I'm actually in the wedding, but we decided to drive instead of fly, which calls crazy, but yes, we are going on another road trip. Let's pack, prep, do all the things. I also think I'm gonna dye my hair today. I got box dye from the grocery store. But I wanted to show you the dress. I'm vlogging. This is the dress. I actually wound up ordering two sizes, a size 0 and a size 2, and then I brought both of them to get tailored, and that one was the size 2 was the one that we decided to alter. Okay, so I just prepped a bunch of supplements to take with me on the road for the road trip, and I wanted to show you what I'm bringing. Let's get right into it. I have it all laid out right here. This is everything. First things first, we have Element. I will put on the screen here which ones I'm affiliated with, and the links to them will be in the description of this video. So Element electrolytes, these are my tried and true. I take these pretty much every single day with some water. They just really help balance out your electrolytes. And also my favorite flavor is the citrus salt. Next up, two supplements from Symbiotica. We have the citrus vanilla vitamin C, and then we also have the magnesium L-threonate in vanilla cream. So this one I take at night with some ginger tea and honey, and this one I take in the morning just with some water before I eat anything or just with any other supplements that I have in the day. The link is in the description below this video. Another brand I recently started working with is called Rookie. I love their supplements. I have never tried them before. They actually reached out to me via email. They told me about their products, and I went on their Instagram and their website, and I was like, wow, this actually looks really, really good and like something that I would love to promote and talk about and use in my daily routine. So I started using them and I am obsessed. The greens are the passion guava flavor, When I tell you these are like the cleanest greens I have ever had, I'm not kidding. The ingredients are really clean. They make you just feel overall good about your health, your body, all the things. And these packets right here are their protein packets. They're vegan protein super blend in the flavor vanilla. They have prebiotics, probiotics, essential amino acids, and vitamins and minerals with 16 grams of protein, non-GMO, and 0 grams of sugar. You just pour this in some water or oat milk, almond milk, and you get your protein in. My code and link are right here and below the video. Last thing that I'm bringing with me is the matcha mushroom. Okay. So this one is the matcha mushroom latte with oat milk. And all you do with this one is just mix it with some water, some oat milk if you want more, some almond milk, whatever. And the matcha latte is already ready to go. And I'm also bringing these Daily Supercharged Multivitamin by First Day. I actually recently got this in from a UGC collab, and then I started taking them and I actually really like them, so I'm gonna bring these with me on the road trip. Before I get into the rest of today's video, I actually wanted to talk about today's sponsor. This is the first time I'm doing a sponsorship on YouTube, and it feels really, really great to be able to do a sponsorship with a brand that I actually work with and have experience with, and that I feel is really important for not only myself, but for anyone that feels that they could benefit from using this service. Life gets overwhelming, whether it's stress, relationships, or just the pressure to have everything figured out. And I found that talking to someone really does help. And that's why I actually started using BetterHelp. It's an online therapy platform that matches you with a licensed therapist based on your needs. And it all happens virtually, which makes it so convenient. You can text your therapist, do live video sessions, or even just chat with them, whatever feels comfortable to you. Plus, it's way more affordable than traditional therapy. And there's no driving and no wait lists. If you've been thinking about trying therapy, this might be your sign. You can use my link, which is betterhelp.com/Gianna, to get 10% off your first month. And thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. And now let's get back into the video. You guys, we just made our, well, my dad was the first sale on our UGC course, but we made a second sale. Woohoo! Look, those are our sales.
Our first successful business.
Our first successful business. Nick and I have tried so many different business styles in the last 5 years. Content creation has been successful for us, but this is like the first business thing for us that really clicked. And this is the first sale that we've like really ever had. So this is a huge moment. I was just screaming before I picked up the camera. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay guys, we're dyeing my hair. We leave for a wedding tomorrow, and I just decided I wanted to dye my hair. Here we go, I got 2 boxes. Let's see how it goes. I don't know what I'm doing.